Guys.
Welcome back, curl friends. Welcome back, Spencer fam. Today we are bringing you part 2 of our wash and go routine. We started off this video with part 1. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see that full video, go ahead and click the I or in description down below. In today's video, you'll want to watch all the way to the end because we are using a hair steamer, completely and totally safe for a toddler and adult alike. So we're going to show you our drying method and how we keep those curls moisturized and ready for protective styling.
Subscribe, like, comment.
As Elissia reminds you, don't forget to like this video so that it can reach more people. Comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Here's a little real life for you. Elissia was on her second video of the day and completely over this. She was like, Mom, let's just hurry up. Right, so I put leave-in conditioner all over the hair from Dollar Curl Club. Check description for our discount code and save those coins. All right, so you want to make sure you massage it all the way in, all the way around. Right before you put on a plastic cap, you can find these at any of your local stores. Place that on and then pop on the hair steamer. Alright, so we're going to leave this on for a total of 15 minutes, no more and no less. So go ahead and set that timer and let it work. It's 15 minutes now up. So we just slide this off nice and easy there. If you're interested in the Buy Dry hair steamer, tongue twister, go ahead and check out our unboxing video, unboxing and assemble. You know I always got to hit you with the demo. You can check that out in the I or the description below. All right, back to this. So I'm just going to massage it. It feels so soft. As you can see, the hair is now dry, but the hair is not dry, if that makes sense. There's many ways of drying your hair. If you follow along with our natural hair tutorials found in our playlist, you'll have seen us use many different drying methods. Hair steaming. Hair steaming is beneficial as the heat aids in hydrating dry hair, leaving your parched hair happy. The moist heat also encourages blood flow to the cuticle, promoting hair growth too. The steam lifts the hair cuticle, allowing your treatments to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, helping to heal especially damaged hair. Now, although Elissia's hair is not damaged, we do enjoy the hair steaming every once in a while because it is packed with benefits. No, hair steaming is not sponsoring this video. It's just a proven method. So we don't use it as often as we should, mainly because we do live in a sunny state and the heat from outside does the job. Yeah. So you're going to use some growth oil. Alright, so now we're on to the last phase of the wash and go, the perfect wash and go at that. And that is to add in your moisturizing oils. So depending on your hair's porosity level, you would use more or less, just depending on your hair. We're going to go in with the growth oil at the roots, and we're going to add in the argan oil all around the hair. Alright, so I'm going in with the growth oil. I'm just going to use my fingers and part the hair all around. So you see me here just dabbing a little bit in and rubbing it in. The cap on the growth oil was giving me a little trouble, so I just went ahead and opened it all together. So I had to be really careful at this point to make sure that the whole thing didn't pour out over the hair, because I'm good for that. As you can see here, I'm just gently pouring it in little by little. If your cap works, I suggest you use a cap. If not, then you can just follow along with me. I'm just dabbing a tiny bit, parting the hair with my fingers. I didn't want to get the comb and scare Elissia because she was already done with me. So I cut it in where I could. She held the hair as I went all around the head. And you just want to repeat this process all around. You'll know what needs more and what doesn't. Now I'm going in with our all-time fave argan oil. It is super lightweight and takes really well to Elissia's hair, which is what we need. We need to lock in that moisture. So just to recap, we do have in the leave-in conditioner, argan oil, and the hair growth oil, which is a herbal hair oil. Elissia loves to get involved. She loves to help out. As you can see here, she's just rubbing it in her hair herself. And the day that she can do this herself would be awesome. Well, that's my cue, friends. You heard my little boss. She said to stop. So I'm just going to quickly show you. This is a very realistic wash day routine. So this is actually realistically in real time how I massage the argan oil from root to tip. What I love about argan oil, it does not leave the hair greasy. We're not going for a greasy, heavy feel. Elissia's hair can't take any heavy oils. Argan oil is perfect, leaving it light, bouncy, and moisturized. And as you can see here, this is a quick length check. Shrinkage is real. If you are a curly girl or boy, you know the shrinkage is real. Comment down below if you have shrinkage. Yeah.
Bye.
All right, baby. Thank you for watching, curl friends. That's all for today. We hope that you enjoyed part 2 of the perfect wash and go. When you're finished watching this video, if you haven't checked out video 1, go ahead and do that. I'll link our hair tutorials plus video 1 right there in the eye and in description. All right, stay tuned for our member shout outs. And remember, you can become a member today of the Spencer family and get marketing and branding for your YouTube channel or for your brand in general by clicking the join button below. And as always, stay beautiful and blessed. See you on the next episode. Here are some words from our amazing team. We have the best YouTube engagement group. Here you can see how our group has helped each and every one of these members. I'm only going to post a few because I don't want to make this video super long, but after reading this, if you would like to join, go ahead and hit that join button below. Read some more about what we can do for you, and hopefully we can get you monetized and some great results for you. Peace and blessings to all. See you on the next episode.